Open your browser. Search stablediffusion.com. Link in the description. You can convert text to image and also image to image. This is a AI image generator. Now write a prompt about your image that you want. Make your prompt clearly and include full details about your picture. For example, I write this prompt. Now you can select the sampling method, width and height of the image. You can also edit the speed. You can also write negative prompt. I will show how negative prompt exactly works right now. See this example. If you don't want some specific things, you can exclude by adding that in negative prompt. Download the image by doing this.